Pouring water rapidly instead of slowly dramatically improves debris removal during cleaning because higher flow creates more agitation and flushing force. When you pour quickly, you increase the flow rate, which generates turbulence that loosens trapped particles from pores and crevices, so use a jug and a funnel to direct a steady, strong stream where you need it. Aim the stream at one edge of the dirty area and move it across to carry loosened material out rather than splashing randomly. If you are using a vacuum or wet vacuum, run it while you pour so suction and flow work together to lift and extract debris immediately. For delicate surfaces, test a quick small pour first to confirm the force will not damage finishes, and adjust height to reduce impact while keeping sufficient momentum. For floors and drains, a rapid pour helps push solids towards the drain and prevents resettling, unlike a slow trickle that allows particles to sink back in. Always control temperature and cleaning agent concentration independently, since boiling water or an overly strong chemical with high flow can harm some materials. A common mistake is pouring slowly because it feels safer, which leaves grit in pores and means you repeat the process. Fix this by increasing flow in short bursts while monitoring results. Another issue is pouring too high and causing splatter or damage. Avoid that by lowering the jug and using a funnel or nozzle to concentrate the stream and reduce impact. People sometimes pour without coordinating extraction, which just moves debris around. Solve this by running a vacuum, mop, or towel at the same time to capture loosened material. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors for cleaning and remediation tasks, and we also help contractors find new work opportunities. We host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals exchange tips and experiences so we can all learn better practical techniques.